For countless generations, our oceans have been the cradle of life on Earth, shaping weather patterns, regulating the climate, and nurturing a dazzling array of creatures both great and small. These vast blue expanses have inspired awe and wonder, providing food, livelihoods, and a sense of connection to something far greater than ourselves. Yet, in just a few short decades, we've unleashed a threat of our own making: plastic. Once celebrated as a miracle material for its convenience and durability, plastic now pollutes every corner of the sea, from the sunlit surface to the darkest, most remote ocean trenches. No ecosystem is left untouched, and no creature is truly safe from its reach. Over 170 trillion plastic particles now float in our oceans, breaking down into microplastics that infiltrate the marine food web. These tiny fragments are nearly impossible to remove and are consumed by plankton, fish, and even the largest whales. Wildlife mistake this debris for food, leading to starvation, injury, and the disruption of entire ecosystems. The consequences ripple outward, affecting every link in the chain of life. The economic toll is staggering, with marine services and coastal economies suffering as beaches are littered and fish stocks decline. Tourism dwindles, fishing communities struggle, and the livelihoods of millions hang in the balance. This crisis affects us all, no matter where we live, reminding us that the health of the ocean is inseparable from our own well-being. But surrender is not in our nature. Across the globe, people are rising to the challenge. Humanity's ingenuity and drive for collaboration are now being harnessed to turn the tide, through innovation, community action, and a renewed commitment to protect our blue planet. The monumental task of healing our blue planet has begun, before the damage becomes irreversible. The future of our oceans and of life itself depends on what we do next. In the face of this mounting crisis, a new wave of determination is rising, powered by innovation, hope, and a shared commitment to protect our planet's most vital resource, the ocean. People from all walks of life are coming together, united by a sense of urgency, and a belief that change is possible. At the forefront of this global movement is the Ocean Cleanup, an ambitious organization dedicated to ridding the world's oceans of plastic pollution. Their vision is bold, and their mission is clear. What once seemed impossible is now accelerating at an unprecedented pace. In just over a year, their plastic removal rate has quadrupled, thanks to relentless effort and technological breakthroughs. By 2025, they've removed over 40 million kilograms of rubbish, up from 10 million the year before. Each ton collected represents a step closer to restoring the health of our oceans. This breakthrough is the result of relentless innovation, data-driven action, and the tireless work of engineers, scientists, and volunteers who refuse to give up. Advanced science and engineering have made their operations smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. New technologies are being tested and deployed, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Every kilogram removed is a victory, and these victories are growing in number and impact. Each success fuels the next, inspiring more people to join the cause. The journey is far from over and challenges remain, but the tide is finally turning. The world is watching and momentum is building. Our efforts are no longer just a drop in the ocean. They are making a visible difference, transforming once polluted waters into cleaner, safer habitats. Together we are creating a powerful current of change, one that flows toward cleaner, healthier seas for all life on Earth, now and for generations to come. To fight plastic pollution, we must tackle two fronts: legacy pollution already in the ocean, and the constant flow of new plastic from rivers. The ocean cleanup strategy addresses both. In the open ocean, they target massive gyres like the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, removing decades-old debris. On land, they intercept plastic at its source, rivers. Research shows 80% of riverborne plastic comes from just 1,000 rivers. By focusing on these, the problem becomes manageable. Ocean systems remove the past's mistakes. River technologies protect the future. This dual approach is both remedial and preventative, By fighting on both fronts, we can finally give our oceans a chance to heal. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a swirling testament to our disposable culture, an immense shifting soup of debris that stretches for miles across the ocean. It's a haunting reminder of how single-use plastics and careless waste have accumulated, forming a floating landfill in the heart of the Pacific. Cleaning it requires more than brute force. It demands intelligence, strategy, and innovation. Traditional cleanup methods, while noble, are slow and often overwhelmed by the sheer scale of the problem. Enter artificial intelligence. The Ocean Cleanup's AI-driven routing system predicts where plastic will concentrate, using advanced algorithms to outsmart the ever-changing ocean currents. It analyzes real-time data, currents, weather, drone sightings, and even satellite imagery to guide vessels directly to plastic hotspots, making every journey more precise and impactful. This digital hunt has transformed operations, increasing collection efficiency by over 60% without raising costs. The result is a smarter, faster, and more sustainable approach to ocean cleanup. The AI continuously learns, adapting to new patterns and making each sweep smarter and more effective than the last. It's a system that evolves with every mission. No longer a blind search, cleanup is now a targeted, data-driven mission, where every move is calculated for maximum impact. Ships are intelligently harvesting plastic, not just cleaning, but actively seeking out and removing the most harmful debris before it can do more damage. This fusion of technology and environmental action makes large-scale cleanup achievable in our lifetime, uniting human ingenuity with digital precision. With every sweep, we're one step closer to reclaiming the health of our planet's largest ecosystem, restoring hope for the oceans and for future generations. While the ocean battle rages, rivers remain the main arteries for plastic pollution. The Ocean Cleanup's interceptors are a family of adaptable, autonomous technologies designed for diverse river environments. The flagship, Interceptor Original, is a solar-powered vessel that funnels and collects debris around the clock. When full, it alerts local operators for emptying and recycling. For different river types, specialized tools like the Interceptor Barrier and Barricade handle everything from gentle streams to trash tsunamis. The Interceptor tender supports these systems, transporting collected waste to shore. Together, this fleet forms a scalable, versatile defense, stopping plastic before it reaches the sea. It's a brilliant application of technology at the source of the problem. The real test comes in the field, where technology faces unpredictable challenges. In Guatemala's Rio Motagua, initial barriers failed against overwhelming trash tsunamis. Learning from setbacks, the Ocean Cleanup deployed the robust Interceptor Barricade XL, now successfully capturing massive plastic flows. In Panama, the Seven Basins Project takes a citywide approach, placing interceptors in all major rivers to create an integrated network of protection. These deployments prove the adaptability and effectiveness of the technology. In the Gulf of Honduras, coastal sweeps are removing legacy plastic from shorelines and mangroves. Each success is a story of smart engineering and persistence. These real-world battles show that with innovation and grit, we can reclaim our natural spaces. One river and one coastline at a time, progress is being made. No single group can solve ocean plastic alone. It takes global coordination. The Ocean Cleanup's 30 Cities program targets the world's most polluting coastal cities, aiming to cut global river plastic inflow by a third. Cities like Jakarta, Mumbai, Manila, and Los Angeles are joining forces, creating a global alliance for cleaner waterways. This initiative relies on deep collaboration with local governments, integrating technology with existing waste management. The synergy between non-profits and public authorities enables rapid, scalable deployments. More than a technical project, it's a movement uniting cities under a banner of environmental stewardship. Their combined efforts will prevent millions of kilograms of plastic from reaching the ocean. Together, they're transforming city-level action into a global force for change. Every interceptor and every kilogram of plastic removed is powered by collaboration. The ocean cleanup's success depends on partnerships across public, private, and non-profit sectors. Local partners like Panama's Marea Verde bring community knowledge and manage day-to-day operations. Financial support from businesses and philanthropists fuels innovation and expansion. This web of teamwork turns ambitious plans into real-world action. Engineers, governments, businesses, and communities all play vital roles. United by a shared purpose, humanity's capacity for positive change is limitless. The story of plastic in our oceans is shifting, from crisis to solution. The ocean cleanup's progress proves we are agents of recovery, not just witnesses to decline. AI-guided systems, river interceptors, and global alliances are coming together as a powerful force. The quadrupling of plastic capture is a beacon of hope. This journey is about restoring our relationship with nature and giving future generations a cleaner planet. Our ability to innovate and collaborate is turning the tide. The horizon is clearer, and the work continues. With determination and ingenuity, we can write a new chapter, one of healing and hope for our blue planet.